Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify automatic abandoned cart emails. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what we need to do is first of all search in here for abandoned cart and make sure to search that in your app store. Once you dive right on, you will be able to see that we have various abandoned cart related integrations. So like for example, if you scroll down, you have this Cartly abandoned cart recovery, and using this you can easily get your Shopify automatic abandoned cart emails. And yeah, so I hope you can see. Please enter your emails, and this is going to be helping you to simply grasp that email for later use. So that's it, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.